My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Foods and Nutrition Part 2, Bingo. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Contains the elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but in a different ratio to carbohydrates. It is solid at room temperature. Option A, glycogen. Option B, galactose. Option C, fats. And option D, disaccharides. The answer is C, fats. Tough, fibrous protein with a high sulfur content, forming structures such as horns, nail, hair, feathers, etc. Option A, folic acid. Option B, amino acids. Option C, essential. Option D, keratin. The answer is D, keratin. An acid occurring in or derived from natural fats, wax, etc. Component of fats or lipids. The smallest lipid is a triglyceride. It is made from 3 molecules of these and 1 glycerol molecule. Option A, fatty acid. Option B, amino acid. Option C, glycerol. And option D, diet. The answer is A, fatty acid. A compound containing hydrogen and carbon. A, amino acids. B, glycerol. C, hydrocarbon. D, collagen. And the answer is C, hydrocarbon. Food containing large content of indigestible material, that is cellulose. For example, vegetables. Provides bulk. Eating it makes you feel full and can prevent you overeating as part of a balanced diet. Gives the muscles of the gut wall something to push against. Keeps the content of the gut moving. Absorbs water. Keeps feces soft and easier to ingest. Prevents constipation. Help prevent bowel cancer. A, fiber. B, glycerol. C, balanced diet. D, glycogen. And the answer is A, fiber. A monosaccharide sugar with 6 carbon atoms in each molecule. A, folic acid. B, glycerol. C, deoxyribose. D, hexose. And the answer is D, hexose. Substances that are required by all living organisms and provide them with energy and material for growth and repair of cells, tissues, and organs. A, fibers. B, food. C, autotroph. D, fatty acid. And the answer is B, food. An organism that cannot make its own food depends on other organisms as sources of food. For example, all animals, saprophytes, and parasites. This type of feeding is called holozoic. A, autotrophic. B, folic acid. C, heterotrophic. D, carbohydrates. And the answer is C, heterotrophic. Water-soluble, essential for the formation of RNA and DNA and the normal production of red blood cells. Deficiency causes anemia during pregnancy and certain birth defects, e.g. spina bifida. Source, it is liver, green vegetable, and yeast. A, glycerol. B, folic acid. C, fatty acids. D, amino acid. And the answer is folic acid. Animal storage polysaccharide found in muscles, liver, and brain. A, starch. B, glucagon. C, carbohydrate. D, glycogen. And the answer is D, glycogen. A monosaccharide sugar found naturally in fruit juice, honey, etc. Chemical formula is C6H12O6. A, fatty acids. B, glycerol. C, fructose. D, glycogen. And the answer is fructose. Fats are formed from one of these molecules attached to three fatty acids. A. Bimolecules. B. Deoxyribose. C. Glycelo. D. Glycogen. And the answer is C. Glycelo. Naturally occurring monosaccharide found in milk and other dairy products. Chemical formula C6H12 or 6. And the answer is amino acid, B. galactose, C. glycelo, D. hexose. And the answer is B. galactose. Six-carbon single sugar, a monosaccharide, hexose sugar, formed in plants during photosynthesis and is the end product of the digestion of carbohydrates. Most living organisms need it for respiration. A. Amino acid. B. Glucose. C. Glycelo. D. Ribosome. And the answer is B. Glucose. A hormone released by the pancreas. In humans, glycogen is broken down to glucose through action of hormones adrenaline and this hormone. As more glucose is demanded for respiration, this hormone and insulin work together to control the level of sugar in the blood. A. Thyroxine. B. Insulin. C. Glucagon. D. Estrogen. And the answer is C. Glucagon. Hello friends, thank you so much for using Food and Nutrition Part 2. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.